Today we are looking at 3 model homes in Southeast Austin. Stay tuned to the end and you'll see possibly one of my favorite new home floor plans that I've ever toured. Let's jump in. My name is Connor Olson. This is Living in North Austin YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about relocating to Austin, my info is right there. Feel free to reach out. McKinney Crossing is located in Southeast Austin. I highlighted the route to get to downtown Austin. It's right off of William Cannon, and you just take that all the way up I-35. It's also right next to McKinney Falls State Park, which is a lot of hikes. It's a great spot. It's off of Onion Creek, which is a popular creek that runs through Southeast Austin. And it's also right next to the airport. So if you ever need to commute to the airport, it's very convenient for that as well. We're touring 3 floor plans today. The first one is at 1675 square feet, and the largest one is at 3475 square feet. These range in price from $362,000 all the way up to $482,000. By the end of this, you'll have a good idea of what this builder does in the Austin area. So whether you're looking in Southeast Austin, North Austin, anywhere, you'll have a good idea of what these floor plans offer. Let's tour some homes. This is the 1675 floor plan by kbhomes. You have 2 bedrooms off to the front with a shared bathroom. There's also an open bathroom, so if you ever have guests over, I think they'll also be sharing this bathroom. In here, you have a laundry setup, but right now it's storing model home stuff. Here you have the kitchen, which is a massive preparation space. I don't know if it's an island because it's technically connected, but this is a ton of counter space. Conversely, there's not a ton of cabinet space, but man, I would love to have this much counter space when I would be preparing food. That's a pantry. What's in this one? Coat closet. Living room. A little bit smaller in the living room. Dining room's good sized. This is the primary. A decent sized room. Not super big. We have a full tub shower combo. Dual vanity sink. It's kind of a small sink. And then a walk-in closet. And linen closet. Overall, good use of space, kind of tight in a couple spots. But so that's it for this one. Again, this is the 1675 floor plan by kbhomes. This is the 2502 floor plan by kbhomes. As you walk in, you have a nice separate dining room. Keep walking, then it opens up to the living room, kitchen, and kitchen table. I love this big island, and I like the quartz they chose for it. I like these little orangey yellow spots throughout. The majority of your counter space is going to be that island. So that is something to be aware of. Plenty of space over here on the living room. One thing though to keep in mind is there's not a ton of space right here. If you wanted a longer couch, you would back up, you'd block off this walkway path. So that might be a little bit difficult. And then right along the front door, I believe I saw a bathroom. Want to check that out. Yep, so just a half bath down here. And then I see a primary bedroom, if I am not mistaken. So let's go check that out. A nice big room, plenty of sunlight. Then you have a full shower, dual vanity sink. And then a walk-in closet. Not the biggest walk-in closet. Personally, I'd like to see a bigger one. Let's see, this is probably just a linen closet. Yeah. So that's definitely a downside. I like big walk-in closets for the primaries, especially in new construction. This is gonna be a washer dryer setup. It's kind of nice. It's right off the garage, and you know, right next to the primary bedroom, which is pretty nice. Let's head upstairs. A big loft. This is a massive loft. I mean, they have big enough space for a table up here as well. This is a very large couch. You have a great entertainment system up here if you wanted. That's great. Here you have a shared bathroom, dual vanity sink, which is huge. Here you have the first bedroom. Here is the second bedroom. And the third bedroom. One thing I don't like about these rooms is the bedrooms are a little bit smaller. So that is not my favorite. I like the layout of the primary. I love the loft. Don't like the primary closet. So those are my issues with this one. Again, this is kbhomes. So that's it for this one. This is the 2502 floor plan. And the things I like is the loft, the living area, the kitchen. Things I don't like is the bedrooms upstairs. They're too small. And the primary closet is also too small. But there's a lot I like about this floor plan. I'm not sure if those are deal breakers, but they would definitely have me second guessing. This is the 3475 floor plan by kbhomes. We're here in Southeast Austin, and this home is going to cost you about $625,000 in this neighborhood of McKinney Crossing. So as you walk in, you saw that there's a dining room and then a living room and then the kitchen off to the back. Over here you have a kitchen table, I guess, kind of an informal dining table. You have a very large space for a living area. You have this big L-shaped couch in here. It's really good that they staged this house because it's so big, it would be difficult to imagine furniture in here. One thing I really like about this floor plan is all of the counter space. So you can see a ton of counter space here next to the stove. You have this very large island. You have space next to the fridge. In here, you have an additional preparation area. And then you have a big pantry. Over here as well, this is the laundry room, but I assume it's also sort of a mudroom. So there's probably not food preparation stuff, but you could definitely store stuff over here. I know I like walking in and having a bowl for my keys. That's just something that I would put there. So this is again 3,400 square feet, so it's about 1,700 on each level. Again, it's got the formal dining. It's got a bedroom downstairs, which is great. And it's got a full bathroom attached as well. Not attached, this is a shared bathroom, but your downstairs guests have access to that. Let's head upstairs. This is the loft. Again, lots of space here. They have a very good sized couch already, and you can even have a bigger couch. There's plenty of space here. It's not being used. It's a great place to hang out. And then over here we have the primary bedroom, and I was very, very impressed with this. It's a very large room, massive bed, still have extra space on the sides, enough space to put your own couch. You could have a dresser, multiple dressers if you need it. And this is my favorite part, an attached office space. Now this would be so convenient for me. I would love to have an attached office space where you have to go through the bedroom to access it. So it keeps the kids out, and you can, when you need to put your head down and do some work, that's a great spot to do that. Here you have the two separate closets. I was surprised by how small these are. A little smaller than I would like, but there is a closet in the office as well. One of those closets is bigger than the other. The second one I showed is bigger. Now here you have a dual vanity sink with a makeup spot if you wanted it. You have a separate tub and shower. It's a nice deep tub as well. And then you have toilet, and then a linen closet. This feels like the size of my first apartment in Austin. I think this is just a massive space. I would love to have that as my bedroom. Over here we have 3 more bedrooms up here. So here's the first bedroom. Again, a plenty big size room. You could definitely fit a desk in here as well. So you could have a bed, desk, everything that your kids might need, or even a guest might need. Here we have an additional bedroom. Very cool mural. This bedroom's a little bit smaller. You can see it's cut in right there, but still a good sized room. You could still fit a desk in that room as well. This room is the smallest one of the 3. This one would be kind of tight if you were going to put in a desk. I would recommend you have a full-size bed, or maybe a twin-size bed. I wouldn't go for a queen, because then that would really limit your options. And here is the shared bathroom. So dual vanity sink, which is great because you're going to share it between 3 bedrooms. Full bathroom. So that is it on this floor plan. Again, my favorite part, it's this office. I'm a big fan of this office. Really can't beat it. Haven't seen anything like this in a new construction home. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My contact info is down below.